Let's use the distributive property to divide. If I wanted to divide 56 divided by 8, where 56 is my dividend and 8 is my divisor, the first thing that I want to do is use the distributive property to break it into familiar chunks. And we're thinking about 5 being the magic number, and that's going to help us here because the first step is to multiply my divisor by 5. 8 times 5 is 40. So 40 is now going to be my dividend for the first part of that bubble. And we're dividing each of those parts by 8. Now my second thinking job is, what is the difference between 56 and 40? Or what is 56 minus 40? Let's find out. Remember that we always show all of our work, even if we think that we can do it in our brains. So 56 minus 40 is 16. We're going to go ahead and make 16 our second dividend in that second bubble, and still we're dividing, by 8. Next, we want to find the quotient of each of our parts. So if I multiply by 5 to get to 40 using inverse operation, I already know that the quotient of 40 and 8, or 40 divided by 8, is 5. We're going to combine by addition. The second step is to divide 16 into 8 groups. I know that 8 times 2 is 16, so again, I'm using the tools that I know. Inverse operation tells me that there's 2 groups of 8 and 16. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. The last thing that I want to do is combine my two quotients. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 56 divided by 8 is 7.